Exercise 4.5, question number 1. Find the value if it exists. If not, give reason for non-existence. Subdivision 1. Sine inverse of cos pi. Solution. Now, this pi belongs to the domain 0, pi, isn't it? You know that cos domain is 0, pi. So we can write the answer. So cos pi is minus 1. Now we have got sine inverse of minus 1. So minus 1 can be replaced by sine minus pi by 2. You know that sine minus pi by 2 is minus 1. Now cancelling sine inverse and sine, I have got an answer minus pi by 2. You know that minus pi by 2 belongs to the domain, that is sine domain, minus pi by 2, pi by 2. So the answer is minus pi by 2. Subdivision 2. Tan inverse of sine minus 5 pi by 2. Now minus 5 pi by 2 does not belongs to the domain minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Because you know that minus 5 pi by 2 is minus 450. 450 does not belongs to this domain. So I have to convert something. So I can write this 5 pi by 2, that is 450, as 2 pi plus pi by 2, that is 360 plus 90. So I'm going to write this as 360 plus 90. So in the place of 5 pi by 2, I have written 360 plus pi by 2. So before that I have taken the minus outside. You know the reason, sine minus theta is minus sine theta. So I have taken the minus. Now this is replaced by 2 pi plus pi by 2. Now you know that 2 pi is 360. What is 360? 0. So I can make this as 0. So 0 plus 90 is, pi by 2 is pi by 2. Right? So now sine 90 is 1. There is a minus. So it is minus 1. So tan inverse of minus 1. So minus 1 can be replaced by now tan minus pi by 4, because since I have tan inverse here, I must write something, turn something, isn't it? So tan minus pi by 4. So tan and tan inverse cancel. So minus pi by 4 is the answer. Subdivision 3. Sine inverse of sine 5. So this is very important. You see, this 5 is not 5 degree. This is 5 radian. Okay. So I must find whether this 5 belongs to the sine domain or not. You know that the sine domain is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, isn't it? So 5 does not belongs to this minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So how I am saying that, I will explain now. So now I have to convert this 5 into degree. That means 5 radian should be converted into degree for checking whether this belongs to this domain, right? So 5 into 180 by pi. This is the way to convert it. We learned in 11th standard. So 5 into 180 by pi, and pi is 22 by 7, isn't it? So now multiplying the numerator is 3150 divided by 11. So it is approximately 286 degrees. So 5 radian is approximately 286 degrees. So 286 degree means, you know, this is minus 90 to 90, isn't it? So 286 degree does not belongs to minus 90 to 90. So I have to do some conversion. So what I have to do, so this is 286 degree. Suppose if I subtract 360, it becomes minus 74. Can you understand? So when I subtract minus 360, it becomes minus 74 degree. So minus 74 degree belongs to this domain. So this is what I am going to do. Okay, right? So how I am going to do this, I'll explain here. Now, so sine 5, you know that this 5, I am going to subtract, this is 5, 286 is 5, and 360 is 2 pi, isn't it? So 5 minus 2 pi. So I am subtracting 2 pi. I cannot simply subtract 2 pi, isn't it? If I subtract a 2 pi, I must add a 2 pi. You know that if I add a number, I have to subtract a number. Like that, I subtracted 2 pi, so I have to add 2 pi. Right. Now, this 2 pi is written little outside, and this is written here. This is nothing but what? Minus 74, isn't it? Okay. So 2 pi, previously we learned 2 pi is 360, isn't it? 360 means it is 0 only, isn't it? So I can put here 0. So naturally it becomes 5 minus 2 pi. 5 minus 2 pi is what? minus 74. Minus 74 belongs to minus 90, comma 90. So the answer is 5 minus 2 pi. That's all. Thank you.